Hello. As you can see, I have painted the hip chassis bits, and I've also got a little treat today. I installed a linear actuator for the steering, and I have it all hooked up to the battery using my previous setup of just a switch. So let's see it in action. Flick the switch, and sure enough, the wheels turn. I'll just flick the switch while the camera's there so you can get a better look. You can see it gives a nice angle, fully taking advantage of the range that the sway bar has, as opposed to these little extension guys right here, to transfer the sway bar motion from up here down to the lower knuckles. We'll do another cycle or two just to show you the motion. It is kind of slow, but then again it is capable of hefting. This linear actuator is rated for 250 pounds, I think, so hopefully that will be enough to turn the mech. Probably I'm going to need to put in some sort of a sensor down here to give a diagnostic so the pilot can know which way the wheels are turned up in the cockpit. And I've got a wire running from the linear actuator up through the hip deck through a hole I just drilled right here. Kind of hard to see, but here it is. Looks a little messy. I'm waiting for this top deck to dry out a little bit before I go painting it. And then I'm going to put the torso, bring it outside, put the torso on top, and then dangle probably some black plastic from the torso down over this so it protects this a little more, keeps it from getting wet. But that is all for today, so until next time, bye-bye.